I'm sharing very basic points about profit and cash flow in this video, but I thought it would be useful for some business owners to refresh these concepts. Is it possible that your manufacturing business is making good profits, but your bank account is empty and your CC limit is fully utilized? Also, is it possible that your profit margins are wafer thin, yet you have healthy bank balance and never feel the cash crunch? Now pause, rewind and replay. Answer is yes to both. You might see a great P&L statement every year that shows good profit. However, you might wonder, where is the money? It's not in my hand. In fact, I'm always running hand to mouth with respect to bank balance and paying vendors, etc. Now, this indicates that your profits are good, but cash flow management needs attention and improvement. Profit is selling price minus total cost, that is fixed plus variable. But it does not take into consideration whether money has been actually received or paid out. So your money could be with customers as receivables or blocked in inventory or as advance paid to the vendors. Hence your profit is only on paper. Whereas a business owner who manages cash flow very well by collecting payments on time, maintaining optimum inventory, enjoying credit from vendors and building reserves can always have healthy cash position even if the profit margins are low. Sometimes the collection, inventory management and vendor credit is managed very well and the profit margin percentage is also good. Can there be a cash crunch? Answer is yes again. Even if the profit percentage is good, but if the total sales revenue is not sufficient, then they are not breaking even. Not breaking even means there is a loss and the loss has to be funded from somewhere. And what will happen when the profit margins are low, payment collection is difficult, vendors are not extending credit and inventory is piling up? That's a total chaos and you will have high blood pressure problem. Don't wait for that long to invite big troubles for your small manufacturing businesses. Finance mismanagement is the #1 reason for business failures. Get hold of your finances and manage your cash flows with absolute discipline. I am going to share some practical tips about building positive cash flow in separate videos soon. Thank you.